Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Windows 11 style start menu layout in any Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as WinStrix. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you will see a download option. Just click on this download free trial. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Now just drag the application to the application folder to install it. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can close it. Now just click on this apps icon and just search for WinStrix and just click on it. Click on open. So now you can see this kind of user interface. So just click on this I read and agree and click on get started. Now you need to allow some permissions. Just grant all the permission and click on continue. Now just turn on the option. Now here you will see on the left panel tons of options. So I'm not gonna go through all the options. You can check out by yourself. So since it's a trial portion, so you have a 14 days trial to test it, and if you like it you can purchase it from its official website. So now you just minimize it. Now just click on this icon. Voila, now you can see we are getting a Windows 11 style start menu layout. So when you can pin an app here by right mouse clicking on the respective apps which you want to pin. Click on pin to start. You can see you can pin, so you can clearly see. So on the above you will see your search bar also, which looks like the Windows 11 start menu style, and below you will see here the power buttons, lock buttons, and even you can see your account icon. So by using this cool application named as WinStrix, you can easily get Windows 11 style start menu layout in any Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.